Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Keith here, Jesse on the camera. Tonight we're over at SKIDMARK Drift, 172 Southerland Ave, Winnipeg, Manitoba. Make sure you guys come down, check us out this winter. Snow is coming, drifting is gonna be the best, hottest thing you're gonna wanna do in the RC hobby right now. 110 rear-wheel drive drift cars, easy to get into right now. You can pick up an MST for like 600 bucks and get rolling. Come out with us, we can help you get trained, get you tuned, get you rolling on the track. Basically just a quick update. We want to show you kind of where we've gone in the last year. We're out pretty much, I think, 3 more weeks. We're going to be celebrating our 1-year anniversary, and you guys see the track now from our very first video when we still had the tile on and we had a coating on top of tile and it was just a big mess. We came through, we stripped everything out completely. Our track dimensions, we have 55 by 33 feet. It's an absolute beast of a track. We pretty much hand polished out the track, well, with machines, but we got in there and soaked up the floor, hand grounded, polished out, got a lockdown suite, and then we kind of let the crew, the guys, get together and do the work on the track. It's been through several changes since, and it's still growing piece as it goes. It's actually really where we wanted it to be 6 months ago. We're finally starting to get to that point in the last couple of weeks. So take a quick look at it. But anyhow, the point of this video is we need you guys to come out and have some fun with us so we can keep this open and running. So make sure you come out, 172 Southerland Avenue, Winnipeg, Manitoba. We are open Tuesdays 6 to 10, Thursdays 6 to 10, and Saturdays 4 to 10 p.m. on everything. As the season goes on, we'll start hosting some events and get some stuff going on. But anyhow, come out, check it out. Okay, so in the last week, we added a little bit of LED lighting around the bottom of the track. We want to get a lot more and get this track fully lit up. And if you look behind me here, we actually have our 3D printed LED streetlights with a pre-LED strip, 1.5 inches on each one, and they're going to be super bright. So eventually we want to get the overtop lights off and get the track lit up and running until it's absolutely fantastic. Pit lane over here for the guys to pick up and drop the car. That was a new addition. Before we just had a red and white line. It was not working well for us, so we added in the pit lane. That's actually working out fantastic. So this feature showed up last week when I wasn't here. I do every second Saturday, and Troy does obviously the other Saturdays, and I'm also here Thursdays. This showed up, and it's a pretty cool kind of slide in, loop around, just kind of play around little feature to add a little bit more to just the chunk of grass we had there before. You see the power line towers that we have 3D printed back here. Those are actually going to hold our power from that power supply. We're going to run our power that's going to feed over to the center and get everything lit up. Because that's going to look really cool, really scale. A couple of weeks ago, we decided to make a change on that end of the track. We opened it up into some separated islands, which then we can open and close the routes off and kind of open it up. And if not, we can just leave it as it stands for an open play area when we're in between events and not really doing anything. Most of the nights we're here so far is just practice until we start putting on events and guys are confident and want to come out and start having those, but those have not started yet. That'll probably start in January, I think, something else. So if you can tell, we keep like a non-competitive, very just peaceful, everybody helps everybody kind of hit lane kind of vibe going on here. Everybody kind of helps everybody too. So if you're intimidated and you're new and you're worried about coming out and trying it, definitely just come down, check it out. We do have rental cars on the bench. We got that blue BMW right there supplied to us by Southerland RC Winnipeg Manitoba. Make sure you give them a thought and check them out when you're picking up your first drift car. Bring it down. We'll help you get it set up. We do have a spec tire. It is a Yokohama GRP-A tire. Besides that, if you get rolling the stock MST or many other choices that are out there, it just has to be a rear-wheel drive drift car. We do not allow all-wheel drive or full-wheel drift cars on the track. They're just too fast and will cause too much carnage to all the detailed build work that we have in there. So yeah, definitely come down, check us out. I'm going to quit talking now. You guys check out the cars. We'll see you guys next week with another build video.